Cars with Audrey?
Yeah.
Audrey, go.
Aww, she's gonna
She's
grow.
reaching for it.
Nice.
Oh, careful,
Watch
her
face
face.
plant. Into the.
Aww,
You gonna give a car to Audrey?
she's going for it.
You're gonna let Audrey
Go,
borrow one?
Audrey.
She's gonna go for it.
She goes,
She's sitting.
ah. Yeah, she does that. She likes to sit. She goes, I'll just
Go
sit
for it,
here.
baby.
I'm trying so hard.
Can you give her one, Lenny? Give her one. Let Audrey have a car.
She face plants. Just be careful. You going, Audrey?
If you crawl following the little cars, Daddy's got a rude awakening. Yeah.
'Cause I like these cars. Aww. You sit with Grandma and Audrey? Audrey's escaping.